Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English podcast once again today.
Hi, friends. I am Jake, and this is my wonderful friend Sarah right here.
We are so thankful you chose to spend your time learning with us today.
Today, we have a topic that can truly save you in difficult real-life situations.
Yes, today we learn how to ask for help and solve problems in English.
Imagine you are lost in a foreign city and nobody understands your language.
Or imagine your hotel room has a big problem and you need to complain.
Or you lost your wallet and need to explain the situation to someone quickly.
These situations are stressful, but the right English phrases make everything much easier.
After this episode, you will handle any emergency or problem calmly in English.
Are you ready to learn phrases that could save your day? Let us start.
Let us start with the most important skill, how to ask for help politely.
The magic word is excuse me. Always start with excuse me when approaching strangers.
You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me please? I really need some help right now."
Or, excuse me, I need some help. Could you please assist me right now?
Or, "Sorry to bother you, but I need some help with something important today, please."
Bother means to disturb someone. Sorry to bother you is very polite in English.
For urgent situations, you can say, "Please help me. This is an emergency right now."
An emergency is a serious and dangerous situation that needs immediate attention and help.
Let us practice asking for help. Please repeat after me out loud right now.
Excuse me, can you help me please? I really need some help right now.
Sorry to bother you, but I need some help with something important today, please.
Please help me. This is an emergency. I need help right now, immediately, please.
Great job. Now you can ask anyone for help politely and confidently in English.
One of the scariest situations when traveling is getting lost in a new place.
But do not worry. There are simple phrases that will help you find your way.
You can say, excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me find my way?
Or, "I cannot find my hotel. Do you know where this address is, please?"
Or, can you show me on the map where I am right now exactly, please?
You can show your phone map to a stranger. That makes communication much easier.
You can also say, which direction is the train station from here right now?
Or, "How do I get back to the main road from this place, please?"
If you cannot understand directions, say, can you walk me there, please? I will follow.
Or, "Can you write the directions down for me, please?" That would really help a lot.
Let us practice being lost phrases. Please repeat after me out loud right now.
"Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me find my hotel, please, today?"
Can you show me on the map where I am right now exactly, please?
"Can you write the directions down for me, please?" That would really help a lot.
Now you will never feel helpless when you get lost in a foreign city.
Now, hotels are great, but sometimes things go wrong with your room or your booking.
If something is broken, say, excuse me, the shower in my room is not working.
Or, "The air conditioning is broken. My room is extremely hot right now. Please help."
Or, the bathroom light doesn't turn on at all. Can you fix it, please?
For booking problems, say, "I have a reservation, but my room is not ready yet."
Or, there's a mistake with my booking. I requested a room with 2 beds, please.
Or, "I booked a quiet room, but my room is very noisy from the street."
You can also say, I would like to speak to the manager about this, please.
You should ask for the manager when regular staff cannot solve your problem.
Let us practice hotel complaint phrases. Please repeat after me out loud right now.
"Excuse me, the shower in my room is not working. Can you send someone, please?"
There's a mistake with my booking. I requested a room with 2 beds, please.
"I would like to speak to the manager about this problem, if that's possible."
Excellent. Now you can solve any hotel problem calmly and clearly in English today.
Losing something important like your wallet or phone is very stressful for anyone traveling.
If you lose something, say, I lost my wallet. Has anyone found it here today?
Or, "I think I left my bag on the bus this morning. Can you help?"
Or someone stole my phone. I need to report this to the police right now.
Stole means someone took your thing without permission. That's called theft or stealing.
At the police station, say, I want to report a lost item here, please.
Or, I want to report a theft. Someone took my backpack at the train station.
The police might ask, can you describe the item? What does it look like exactly?
You say, it's a black wallet with my ID and credit cards inside it.
Or, it is a blue backpack with a laptop and some documents inside it today.
Let us practice. Please repeat after me out loud right now at home today.
I lost my wallet. Has anyone turned it in here at the front desk?
I want to report a theft. Someone took my backpack at the train station today.
It is a black wallet with my ID and credit cards inside it right now.
Now you know exactly what to say if you lose something important while traveling.
Sometimes you might have a health problem and need help from someone very quickly.
You can say, I feel sick. Is there a hospital or clinic near here?
Or, I need a doctor. Can you call an ambulance for me, please, right now?
An ambulance is the emergency vehicle that takes you to the hospital very fast.
Or, my friend is hurt. We need medical help right now. Please call for help.
Or, I have a bad allergic reaction. I need medicine immediately, right now, please.
An allergic reaction is when your body responds badly to food or something else.
You should also know this phrase. Where is the nearest pharmacy from here, please?
And, I need to buy some medicine for a headache and a fever today, please.
Let us practice emergency health phrases. Please repeat after me out loud right now today.
I do not feel well. Is there a hospital or clinic near here, please?
I need a doctor right now. Can you please call an ambulance for me immediately?
Where is the nearest pharmacy from here? I need to buy some medicine today.
These phrases could literally save your life or someone else's life one day. Seriously.
Let us hear a full sample conversation now. Please listen very carefully to everything.
Sarah is a tourist who has a problem and asks a stranger for help today.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I really need some help right now, please.
Of course. What happened? Are you okay? How can I help you right now?
I think I lost my bag. I left it at the cafe nearby here today.
Oh no. Do you remember which cafe it was? Can you describe it to me?
Yes, it was a small cafe with a green sign near the big bookshop downtown.
I know that place. It's called Green Garden Cafe. It's very close by.
Oh, great. Can you tell me how to get there from here right now, please?
Sure. Go straight ahead and turn right at the second corner. You'll see it.
Thank you so much. Also, my phone battery is dead. Can I use your phone?
Of course. Here you go. Do you need to call someone about your lost bag?
Yes, I want to call the cafe and ask if they found my bag there.
Good idea. I hope your bag is still there waiting for you at the cafe.
Me too. Thank you so much for your help. You were very kind and helpful.
No problem at all. Good luck finding your bag. I hope everything works out fine.
That was a perfect problem-solving conversation, natural and realistic from start to finish.
Now, pause the video and practice asking a stranger for help out loud today.
Let us learn some extra useful phrases for solving problems in everyday English life.
If something is wrong, you can say, there seems to be a problem with this.
Or, this is not what I ordered. I asked for something completely different, actually.
Or, I think there's been a misunderstanding. Let me explain the situation clearly.
A misunderstanding means two people understood the same situation in two different ways.
If you need more time, say, can you give me a moment to think, please?
If you need to call someone, say, can I borrow your phone for 1 minute?
If you do not understand, say, I'm sorry, can you explain that more simply?
Or, Can you speak more slowly, please? My English is still at a beginner level.
Let us practice these phrases. Please repeat after me out loud right now today.
There seems to be a problem with this. Can you help me fix it, please?
I think there's been a misunderstanding. Let me explain the situation more clearly.
Can you speak more slowly, please? My English is still at a beginner level.
Now you have a full toolkit of problem-solving phrases for any situation in English today.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review of all the important words together right now.
Emergency, a serious, dangerous situation that needs immediate help and attention from someone.
Ambulance, the emergency vehicle that takes sick or injured people to the hospital fast.
Report, to officially tell the police or authority about a problem, crime, or lost item.
Stolen, when someone took your thing without your permission. It was taken from you illegally.
Complaint, when you tell a company or hotel that something is wrong and needs fixing.
Manager, the person in charge who can solve bigger problems that regular staff members cannot.
Misunderstanding, when two people understand the same situation in two different ways.
Assist, to help someone with something they need. Another word for help in formal English.
These words will help you handle any difficult situation in English with real confidence today.
Now here's your practice challenge for today. Are you ready to try it out?
Imagine you're traveling and you lost your phone somewhere in the city today.
First, ask for help. Say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I lost my phone."
Then describe it. Say, it is a black phone with a blue case.
Then, ask for a solution. Say, "Is there a lost and found office near here?"
Then thank them. Say, thank you so much for your help. You are very kind.
Can you do all of that? Try it right now, out loud, at home today.
Pause the video and practice. These phrases could really help you one day soon.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our final review of today's full episode now.
Today, we learned how to ask for help and solve problems in real English.
We learned how to ask strangers for help politely using the right English phrases.
We learned what to say when you are lost in a new city or place.
We learned how to complain about hotel problems calmly and get real solutions quickly.
We learned what to say when you lose something important, like your wallet or phone.
We learned emergency health phrases that could save your life or help someone else.
We practiced a full natural conversation where Sarah asked a stranger for real help.
And we learned extra problem-solving phrases for many different everyday life situations, too.
You did an absolutely amazing and incredible job today. We are so proud of you.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English channel right now, today.
Leave a comment. Tell us, have you ever needed help in English while traveling abroad?
We love reading every single one of your comments. They truly make our whole day.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. You are truly amazing.
Keep practicing. The more you practice, the more confident you become every single day.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English podcast. Bye-bye, dear friends.
Bye, everyone. We believe in you. Stay safe and keep speaking English with confidence.